Good afternoon. It is November the 7th, 2016, and it is Presidential Election Eve. Man, can you believe how long these last 2 years have been? And my guess is it won't be put behind us come Wednesday. There'll be, if the Democrats lose, it will go on forever. They fight tooth and nail. They get stuff done over and over and over again. If Trump happens to lose, probably won't be quiet. Won't quietly go off either. So, while I hope for getting back to business as usual, I don't know if we'll be able to do it. Okay, the market opened higher. We had an up bias today. We had best resistance was 21.14 to 19. If we got through that, then 21.25, 21.30. And our initial resistance was 10.12. We thought we were going to take that. That would be taken out, and it was. Strong up market all day long. Went into consolidation right here. A little bit of profit taking. Peak buying came in this area from the 50 lot trader, and then we had long liquidation that accelerated into the close. So pretty good trading day. Traded up from 21.08 to 25. So about 18. The software worked as advertised. Looking at the F1 screen, it's going to tell us that we're buyers. Going into tomorrow, off that gap, you can see right here structurally 2130 is a pretty important number. The move out of the middle started at 36, so 2130, 2136 is where resistance is. We will close this gap. Don't know if it'll be tomorrow. If something comes out overnight says that Trump might actually win the presidency, I would expect this market to sell. Wall Street is all in for Hillary, maintaining the status quo, keeping programs intact as they are right now. Very, very strong P. Volume is above time, so want to get long in London to see if we can extend the range higher. Okay to sell failure to take out 25, 27. Then 29 to 31 will be sell 2. On the buy side, pretty good support down here right below 20. So 15 to 17 buy 1. Might take 18s, 19s to get into. Then 10 to 12 buy 2. We do have some news tomorrow. We have NFIB Small Business Optimism Index at 94.3 and JOLTS. Neither one will be paid attention to. Okay, 3-year auction is tomorrow. It usually brings in buying. Not guaranteed though. Up until this year it was pretty much guaranteed, but we can't make those claims. So sometimes it sells on the 2 and 3 year, and sometimes it rallies, but you'd expect it rally. Lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. And pretty square distribution right here. The TPO wise, it's pretty square. Volume wise, it's leaning P, and we do have the 3-year auction tomorrow. So, and very little in the way of news. So maybe a little lower in London, 21.25. Might take 26s, 27s to get in, but we'll try for a little bit cheaper price. Not afraid to buy it. Then 13 to 17. Nice trading, Frank. 31 to 03, sell 1. My inclination is to be long tomorrow. Sell 2, 11, 7 to 11. Yeah, that's a great chart for catching the turns. It's a fast chart too. You play with it a little bit on Rinko 2, which is extremely fast. Might get you a tick or two better trade location, Frank. I put Rinko 3 up on everything so it all looks the same. But that might be worth looking at. Okay, 24.28. Number 1, so selling 31s to 03s. 11 to 15, sell 2. On the support side, 12 to 16. So 5 to 9 buy 1. And 25.29 buy 2. Yeah, I know that feeling. It's a very, very fast chart. Okay, gold headed for 1275, I believe. Definitely a lower high and a lower low. But there's a tractor down here at 68. We have this breakout from 78, and we're knocking on the door. So we're going to put 75, 77 by 1. And we'll put a question mark at 80. And then 70, 72 by 2. On the sell side, I mean, it's going to happen right here at 80 to 82. So we'll open it up a little bit. 83 to 85, sell 1. 89 to 91, sell 2. And the issue is 1280 support or resistance. We'll find out when we come in the morning. Crude oil, man. The news articles were out there right and left. Even had the head of the Italian major oil company come out and say that, hey, some people outside of OPEC are going to have to cut back too. Higher low, higher high on crude. Somebody needs to do something. Perhaps the start of a new distribution J period. That was associated with the news article. So 45, 45 and a quarter, sell 1. 45, 50, 45, 75, sell 2. On the buy side, 44 and a quarter, 44.50 buy 1. We'll adjust that in the morning. Then 43.75, 44 buy 2. I've been paying $1.84, $1.85 at Sam's. Probably reasonably close. And the euro. Doesn't Costco have, I think, 15 or 20 cents below the locally posted gas? Sam's always was 4 cents below, but since Costco's come here, they're about 15 cents maybe, I think, sometimes 20. Okay, lower high, lower low. Find a place to sell the euro. So here's our break right here at 66. So we'll make 65.75. Gonna lean against resistance, sell one. And then 111 plus or minus, sell two. On the buy side, we had 50 to 60 was our buy this morning. Looks like it's going to try to go lower, so we'll make 20 to 30 buy one. Try to pick up this area right over in here. And then the buck to $1.10 buy two. So basically trying to buy 110s. We'd like to sell 111s if we could. Given our druthers. I always love that word. It's always had a nice ring to it to me, to my ear for some reason. And that's it for this November the 7th, 2016. And I hope we get to put a lot of this stuff behind us tomorrow, but I'm not going to hold my breath either. Y'all have a great evening. I'll be here bright and early in the morning, and unfortunately I think tomorrow's trading could be pretty slow, but we'll see if it is. You never know. I'm out of here.